Hello, everybody. In fact, I'm recording again. The original recording from the AMA, didn't work. I just pressed the wrong button. So instead of recording, I was streaming. Well, streaming to nowhere because I don't have any streaming setup. Yeah. Therefore, I'll just go quickly through all the points that I covered in the AMA, where we had our community listening, uh, but I'll try to cover the same topic. So a small agenda for today. I hope, well, first of all, I hope everybody is doing great. But yeah, back to the agenda. So we have the on the first topic, B2B partnerships, collaborations. Here, on top of our Blaze DApp launch that we are working on, we are also discussing business to business services from DeFIRE. And here it is mostly Dexes that are interested in featuring um, our strategies, DeFi strategies directly on their own DEX website. And one of the protocols we are discussing right now with is QuickSwap. And QuickSwap, if I could then share their website. Soon, within some weeks, we'll be adding a new feature called Strategies Hub, and they are interested in featuring our DeFi strategies directly under their Strategies Hub, which we find as a great opportunity to introduce our project to a broad Polygon community before even our own DApp could launch. So that collaboration we are working on at the moment and are looking forward to. The next point on the agenda, co-marketing. So we have concluded the campaign with Symbiosis, and we are also now working on more co-marketing campaigns with other projects that we will be collaborating with here within the next yeah, few weeks. Over the next few weeks, you will see some activities in that field. Those campaigns would mostly be about increasing awareness in both communities about respective projects. So there'll be more on that in some near future. Um, IOTA Foundation and projects building for Shimmer Network are probably something you'll see next. So something to keep an eye on there, and we'll soon uh, be um, be sharing more information on the next campaign. Then we have the audit with QuantStamp. We have started the process of auditing the code, the smart contract code for Polygon launch is 98% complete, and QuantStamp has started their audit. It will take some weeks. Um, for QuantStamp to review the code. After that time, we will receive their feedback, and obviously, depending on their comments, remarks, we will be then updating the codes to address those, and then deploying the smart contracts. Um, yeah, obviously, we'll keep everybody posted once we have received remarks from QuantStamp, but as I said, that is within the next few weeks. Um, the next point on the agenda, team. So we had Cass and Evergreen joining our ranks recently as moderators. Cass first and Evergreen later. Um, both gentlemen will be also around to help all the new users to get onboarded into our community, and this is where actually we mostly see Cass and Evergreen being active. There is not so much need for active moderation operation at the moment. Our community is very well behaving, but will be expanding and towards new communities, both through those co-marketing campaigns and other activities. So we'll see new users flowing into our servers, and it would be great to have always great to have Cass and Evergreen helping those new users getting into our community in a smooth way. Um, then the next point is on Blaze front end. So our developers are working now on completing the front end for Blaze dApp. We have the designs finalized, so this is how the uh, the dApp is going to look like in terms of colors and fonts and buttons and so on and so on. Obviously, the text will be updated, but the overall look will stay like that. One of the interesting features, as you'll be able to see here, is that will be enabling users to pick the network and also the token of their choice for the deposit. So if a user would like to engage a certain strategy, they can pick a network and token of their choice that is not necessarily the same as the token required in the strategy and the network the strategy is operating on. So there will be quite a bit of freedom on the user end. Other partnerships that we are building to also offer even more user friendliness and to welcome new users or onboard new users into DeFi is a social media login. That is a feature that we are discussing with by Economy project at the moment, and we would like to offer that as another way to log in into our dApp apart from using Web3 wallets. And the other feature that we'd like to also add as to our Blaze dApp is fiat deposits. We are discussing with few suppliers that could be handling those deposits, and we would then like to perhaps include it I mean, under this drop-down menu. So instead of selecting a blockchain and token, there would be also a possibility to select fiat deposit, and then the deposit will be handled by a third party by a third party provider. So that's on the front end. And the last point that I had on the agenda, yeah, upcoming events. So as I said, we are going to be launching some more of those co-marketing campaigns in the coming weeks. Evergreen is going to soon launch a quiz contest that we so that so kindly our community confirmed their interest in the recent Discord vote. So that will be happening also very soon. And the last event we might also launch that will coincide or run together with the World Cup, Football World Cup, would be some kind of prediction contest for the outcomes of the knockout stage. So here, ideally, we would like to find a website or a service that allows to log in with a Web3 wallet, and then users can predict outcomes of football matches. So yeah, if anybody knows a service like this, feel free to reach out to me, Evergreen, Cass, or Phoenix, and we'll be happy to feature a contest like this, so then we can all be predicting the outcomes of the knockout stage from Qatar World Cup. So yeah, those were the updates basically. So yeah, I think I did it a little bit. The update this time was a little bit faster than in the live call, but I think all the information, the content was there. So thanks a lot for listening. Stay tuned. We'll be posting time for another AMA very soon. And yeah, have a good one. Take care.